So here we have the Landrover Defender on a 14 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. I'm going to start off inside the boot area and we'll work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have the tow bar, plenty of boot space as you'd imagine. In fact, enough so that you can also fold down these rear side-facing seats should you wish to turn this into a 7-seat vehicle. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see not only is it in fantastic condition, it's a great looking car the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, you'll find the rev counter. We have the coolant temperature gauge and fuel gauge in the middle, and over on the right-hand side, the speedometer. You can also see the total miles over there. They are 89,573. If we work our way over into the middle, we have our clock just there, beneath which we have heated screen, wipers, and our main stereo. To the left and right hand side of that we have our passenger electric window, driver electric window, and as I say, the main stereo. So you have the volume controls in the middle there. You can access the different wave bands available to you on the radio, and as you can see we have a CD player above that. The fans can be found underneath the stereo, so you can determine the temperature, fan speed, and the direction the air is being distributed in over on this side just here. You can recirculate the air that's inside the car or bring in fresh air from outside of it. We can change the headlight level. We have a 12-volt charging socket, and beneath that we have instructions, if you like, for the gears on this car should you wish to take the vehicle off-road. The last thing I wanted to talk about is the paperwork for this car, starting with the V5 registration document. And as you'll see here, it is a one owner from new car. We have our key and book pack just here. The MOT certificate, and you can see that that expires next year on the 2nd of June, so plenty of MOT left on it. And similarly, service history is fantastic on this car. So now you can see there the first service. We can go over to this page for second, third, fourth service at 56,000 miles. And then onto this page for another 3. The most recent of which was only just done back in May. So plenty of service history on this vehicle. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this fantastic car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Watson Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.